NEHA'S alarm clock. In this module, you will listen to the story NEHA'S alarm clock and learn some new words. Let's listen to the story and enjoy it. NEHA'S alarm clock rings at 6 o'clock. NEHA does not like its sound.
Why does the alarm clock get me out of bed so early? I wish it stops working.
NEHA''s alarm clock falls off from the table.
Isn't that wonderful? Tomorrow I can get out of bed late.
NEHA snuggles into her warm blanket and sleeps for some more time. Next morning, the alarm clock does not ring. NEHA sleeps and sleeps. The little birds that sat on NEHA'S windowsill every morning saw her sleeping and decide to wake her up.
Wake up, dear. You will miss your school bus. Today, the alarm clock did not bother me. I wish the birds leave me alone.
NEHA got out of bed grumbling. Next morning, it was the sun that woke NEHA up with his bright light. The alarm clock and the birds did not wake NEHA up.
How I wish that the sun lets me sleep as long as I want.
NEHA'S wish was granted. Next morning, the sun was covered by clouds. She slept and slept till she heard her mother. "Wake up, NEHA, or you will miss your bus."
Oh no! I wish, Mother, you let me sleep as much as I want.
NEHA got ready and left for school. Next morning, NEHA woke up at 6 a.m. Her mother told her that she woke her own self and no one else.
Mother, how can that happen?
NEHA, there is a clock inside you. It makes you hungry for lunch at 1 o'clock and sleepy at 9 o'clock. It also wakes you up at 6 o'clock.
Really? Let me get ready. I don't want to miss the school bus.
Relax, dear. Today is Sunday. New words. Word. Snuggle. Meaning, getting into a warm and comfortable position. Usage. I love to snuggle into my granny's cozy bed. Word. Mutter. Meaning, speak in a low voice to complain. Usage. Our grandmother always tells us not to mutter, but to speak up if something upsets us. Word. Windowsill. Meaning, a shelf below a window can be inside or outside. Usage. I have put some potted plants on the windowsill of my room. Word. Relax. Meaning, calm down. Usage. My teacher told me to relax before my recitation competition.